In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to plant and care for iris flowers. Iris flowers make a beautiful addition to your spring garden, and they come in all the colors of the rainbow. They're pretty easy to care for, just need to avoid a few common mistakes and you'll be all set. We're going to take a look at those today. Hello and welcome. So this is actually the bearded iris. It's one of the larger varieties of iris flowers, and as far as when they come out in bloom, it's in the late spring that they'll bloom for you. And it's so convenient that this happens right after your daffodils and your tulips have faded. So when those colors are going away, these come right on in and they give that nice pop of color to your garden. So we're going to take a look at how to plant them. And they pretty much come in roots called rhizomes. That's how you would get those if you're going to be ordering them, say, online. And I'll put a link below where you can get those on Amazon if you like. These are actually very similar to ginger roots if you've ever seen those. And what you do is you plant them in soil that is well drained. That is very, very important. The soil also needs to be fairly rich. So if the soil in your area is not very good, then you'll want to go ahead and add some compost into it, or just use garden soil to do it. They don't like to be very deep in the soil. You will not have much success if you put them too deep. So usually about 1 to 2 inches at the most is what you want to put them in. Main thing is to make sure that the smaller roots are completely in the soil, and the rhizomes, they can rest slightly on top, and that'll be fine. And once you have planted them, you just go ahead and water them once, and that's all you need to do. The rest of this season outside will take care of whatever else they need. Now, the next thing to bear in mind is to avoid mulching. For most plants, we typically mulch them, but in this case, we don't, because the roots tend to have root rot, and we want to avoid that. If you're in a very cold area, you can. Just lightly though. And then sprinkle. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. I do hope that you got a lot of great information and that you'll hit the subscribe button for future videos and to see some of the past ones as well too. Happy gardening. Thanks so much for watching, and happy fall.